Last lesson, we looked at friends of 100, but looking at addition, okay? And we learnt so many things about using our tens frame, but counting by tens. For example, we looked at 90 and we placed it on our tens frame and we found its friend of 100. Now we're going to be looking at friends of 100, but with subtraction. So I'm going to show you looking at our friends of 10. My tens frame is completely full. Okay, I have the number 9, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the number 9 off my tens frame. So I've got my marker and I'm going to cross out 9. Cross out 9. Now, I could just delete them, but I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've crossed out the number 9. Now, I'm going to take this away from 10. Now, we always write our larger number first. So, for example, I've got 10, take away 9. Now, if we did 9 take away 10, we're actually going to get a negative number, and we're not looking at negative numbers today. So, I have popped in 10 take away 9 is 1, and I also am going to do 10 take away 1 equals 9. Now you're probably thinking, what does this have to do with our friends of 10? Well, we have two numbers that are our friends with 10. Okay, we have our 9 and our 1, which are a friend of 10. So we are looking at our friends of 10, but with subtraction. We're subtracting these numbers. Okay, so we're going to move on to our friends of 100. And we're going to be looking at 9 again, but we're going to be looking at it in the perspective of 90. Okay, it's going to be a 10 number. We have a full tens frame, so we have actually 100 here. Okay, we can see that all of the tens frames, in every single space on the 10 frame, I have a tens block. So we're going to take away 9 of them. So I'm going to cross out 9, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I've taken away 90. Now, because this represents 100, we're going to write our larger number here in our number sentence. 100 take away, now we've got 90. So if we're taking away, we know that whatever's left on our tens frame is our answer. So I'm going to count, and I've got 10. Then we're going to use our other number. We're going to take away 10 from 100. So we got 100. We always write the larger number, and then we've got 90. Now, this represents friends of 100 because we have two numbers that are equal to our friends of 100. Okay, now this is your turn. You are going to use a deck of cards and make a team number. For example, 9, 90. You're going to draw a tens frame and completely fill it in. So like Mrs. Allen did, this was completely full, and then I was taking away, I was crossing them out. Okay, so for example, 90, 9 squares would then be crossed out. You're going to write your number sentence, and remembering 100 goes first because it's the large number, take away 90 equals. And then whatever the answer is, you're going to take that away from 100 as well. Okay, I can't wait to see your work.